Hello guys, what's up? Today I will be showing you my tactical sling bag. It's not an unboxing video, so I will be sharing my opinions about the bag I'm currently using, and it is by a Turkish manufacturer called YDS, and they are famous for their military products and boots, and they're also producing some byproducts like tactical bags and other uh, stuff that you can wear, etc. This model is called YDS TL7091 outdoor shoulder bag or tactical sling bag, however you would like to name it, and it has a capacity of 5 liters, and it's one of the smallest bags they produce. They are also producing some military backpacks and other bigger products, but as this one is a sling bag, it is a smaller version. This one I have is with the Coyote color version. In fact, you can get this one with the black color version as well, but I simply like this one much more. One thing that catches your eyes when you start checking the product is the Velcro part here. You can simply place any patches you would like to use. You can use your country's flag, and you can simply place just another patch like this one, and you simply need to fix it well, and it looks well. I like that feature most. Apart from that, there are many parts of the bag you can use, and beginning with the smaller ones. Here there is this part. You can put small items here like your car keys, earbuds, whatever. And there is another part here. Again, you can simply place your tactical items like flashlights or your paracord bracelets in my case, and again your zippos. And there is another smaller part here as well for smaller items. And these were the exterior packs, and now we can check inside the bag with the biggest part here. Again, there are some dividers inside. In fact, 2 dividers, one here and one here. And what you can store inside is simply maybe your gloves, and if you have any bigger flashlights, you can store these ones as well. And I also store my eyewear protection. Apart from that, when we are checking the dividers inside, I store my tactical knife, and finally, for the extra energy you need for your mobile phone, I store my items as well. And here you see the storage capacity inside. So in fact it's not a very big sling pack, but you can store many of your daily needs. That's why I'm currently using it in my daily life as well. Finally, when we are checking the back side of the pack, you can realize this shoulder strap with the clasp. You can simply remove it and you can use this one here. When you would like to use it on your shoulder, you can place it again. And also this part helps you arrange the length of the strap, and this also enables you to remove it from one side and place it on the other side. Especially if you would like to change the shoulder, you would like to wear the backpack, you need to change this one. There is also this extra part here. You may would like to store some other stuff inside here. Just you can use this one as well. And finally, you can place some extra equipment outside the bag as well, using these parts here if you would like. It's not a heavy backpack, it's quite light, and depending on the equipment you place inside, it gets heavier, of course. And that is all I can say about it for now. And you can check the other products by YDS as well on their website. And the price also I will state. Thank you for watching this review and have a good day.